Are you trying to decide between Ableton and Mainstage? You're not alone. Both are popular tools for music production and live performance. In this video, we'll compare the two to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both Ableton and Mainstage let you create and perform music. They offer a range of features for musicians and producers, but they serve different purposes. Let's dive into what each one offers. Ableton Live is known for its versatility. It's great for studio work and live performances. You can easily arrange, edit, and mix your music. Its unique session view lets you trigger clips and loops on the fly, making it perfect for improvisation. On the other hand, Mainstage is designed specifically for live performance. It allows you to use your Mac as a powerful instrument. You can load virtual instruments and effects and control them with a MIDI keyboard. It's simple and user friendly, focusing on live settings. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Ableton is more suited for both production and live performance. Mainstage is strictly for live use. If you want a complete studio experience, Ableton is the way to go. If you only need a live performance tool, Mainstage might be better. When it comes to features, Ableton offers extensive editing tools and a wide range of plugins. Mainstage focuses on live setups with customizable patches and easy access to sounds. Both have their strengths depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, Ableton tends to be on the higher side due to its wide range of features. Mainstage is generally more affordable, making it a good choice for live performers on a budget. So, if you're looking for a full music production suite, go for Ableton. But if you want something simple for live shows, Mainstage is your best bet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.